In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change address on Google Business. If your company has moved or you need to correct an address, updating it in your Google Business profile ensures customers find you in the right place on search and maps. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the Google account that manages your business profile to avoid confusion. Start by opening in your browser and going to business.google.com. This takes you to the Google Business Profile Manager. If you manage multiple locations or profiles, select the correct business from your dashboard so you're editing the right listing. Give the page a moment to load, as some options can appear differently depending on your account and region. Once you're in the Profile Manager, look for the Edit Profile button. Click it to open your business details. This is where you control core information like name, category, hours, and address. Keeping these details accurate helps your profile maintain trust and visibility, so it's worth double-checking everything as you go. In the Edit Profile view, scroll down until you see the section for your business location. You'll notice a pencil icon beside it. Click the pencil to edit your address. This icon is your cue that the field can be changed, and it opens the form where you can update everything related to your physical location. Now type your new address exactly as it should appear. Include suite, unit, or floor numbers where applicable, and use standard postal formatting. As you type, Google may suggest matching addresses. Selecting one of these suggestions can help align your listing with Maps data. If you're a storefront, make sure the street number and city are correct and verify that the map pin aligns with your entrance. If your business serves customers at their locations and doesn't have a storefront, confirm that your service area settings elsewhere in your profile reflect where you operate, while leaving the address hidden if that's appropriate. When you're confident the address is accurate, click Save. Your changes might update immediately, or Google may ask you to verify the new location. If verification is requested, follow the prompts. This is normal and helps prevent incorrect or fraudulent edits. After saving, give it some time for the update to appear across search and maps. It's a good idea to search your business name on Google and check the map pin and directions to ensure everything looks right. That's it. You've successfully changed your address on Google Business. Keep your hours and contact details aligned with your new location to provide a consistent experience for customers.